hybrid roller bearings for manual adjustments. The new Jylin W hybrid bearings WJRM71 combine polymer rollers with plain bearing technology. They enable manual adjustments without external lubrication. Load-dependent function. Under load, the sliding surfaces absorb the force. When the load is released, the rollers ensure smooth movement, even under demanding conditions. High load capacity. The design allows radial load absorption up to 2,100 newtons, suitable for applications with impact loads or uneven application of force. Ready-to-install solution. The WWH roller slide consists of 4 WJRM71 bearings and a corrosion-resistant aluminum plate. Areas of applications include seat adjustments or steps with high static loads. Maintenance-free. Like all Jylin systems, the hybrid bearings operate dry, quietly, and without lubricants for clean, maintenance-free operation.